What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have Neon Carrot from Pyro Planet. This is one of the cakes of the Roy G. Biv assortment. Comes with 6 cakes in a case, all different colors. I've shot the ruby red, the cobalt blue, and the electric lime. So I'm going to get the other 3 colors in here for you. And like I said, today this is Neon Carrot. It is a 12-shot, 200-gram cake. Like I said, from Pyro Planet. Take a look at the performance here. Get that up for you if I can grab it. There you go. 12 shots, 200 grams, 20 seconds. Vertical, all straight up shots. Dark orange and orange with gold strobe stars, followed by a finale of gold strobe mines and gold brocade with gold strobe stars. So that is Neon Carrot by Pyro Planet. Let's take a look.